Hey there, this is Sonny, the solar guy with Arizona Wholesale Solar. And a lot of times one of the first questions that people ask me is, how long is it going to take to install? And that's a great question. And typically it takes about 5 or 6 weeks before we can install. And that's not because of us, that we're slow or we're taking our time or not paying attention. It's because there's some bureaucracy involved when you're going to be your own provider for electricity. So after we approve initial design, we create a project with your local utility, which is SRP or APS. From there, we get an inspection done. Within a week and a half, we have blueprints. Once you take a look at the blueprints, make sure that you're on board with the actual engineered design. Then we submit for permitting and finish out the utilities pre-installation requirements, and we're installing it a few weeks later. So all in all, it takes about 5 weeks before we can install. And then after installation, you're going to have this glorious state-of-the-art premier equipment, solar equipment technology up on your roof doing nothing, because we got to get the city back out to inspect, make sure that we followed exactly what we said we would do. And then APS or SRP, depending on who your utility is, they come back out and they also verify that we followed the plans, did exactly what we said we would do. At that point is when we interconnect with the grid. You stop using APS or SRP as your primary electricity provider, and 30 days later is your first solar bill. So you never pay both at once. Right now, February, March is the perfect time to get a solar project going, only because it will be powered up before excuse me, the hot summer months begin. So it's always a great time to go solar. There's no better time than now. Tax credits are going to start to decrease in 2020, be eliminated by 2022. Give me a call, 480-200-4486. Thank you.